dear students. Today we are moving on towards the next topic in our chapter division, and we are revising today division by 10, 100 and 1000. That will be very easy, and after watching this you will be able to solve these types of division sums orally also. Okay, and later on we will understand about the word problems. Now here I have taken 3 examples. So here 293 we have to divide it by 10. So starting number is 2, which is less than the 10. So we cannot take a single number, we will take 29. So 29 in the table of 10. It doesn't come, so we will take smaller than 29, which is 10 to the 20. We are going to subtract, we will get 9 here, and then this 3 will come down. Okay, so here again 10, 9 is 90. We are going to subtract, we are getting here 3. So my dear students, we have observed that while dividing any number by 10, the last number, the one space number, we are getting as the remainder, and the remaining digits we are getting as the quotient. So always it will happen. If you will take a 4-digit number, then also the one space digit will come as the remainder, and the remaining 3 digits will go in the quotient. It is obvious. Okay. Now, secondly, we will understand this example. 894 divided by 100. So directly 100 8s are 800. Subtraction 94. So here we are observing that the last 2 digits, ones and tens place digits, we are getting in the remainder, and the remaining digit we are getting in the quotient. So whenever you divide any number by 100, अब आप ऐसे याद रख सकते हैं कि 10 में लास्ट में 1 0 है तो एक डिजिट रिमाइंडर में मिलेगी, बाकी सारे डिजिट्स क्वोशिएंट में. 100 में लास्ट में 2 zeros है तो लास्ट के 2 डिजिट्स हमें मिलेंगी रिमाइंडर में, बाकी की बची हुई डिजिट्स हमें मिलेंगी क्वोशिएंट में. अब सिमिलरली बाय 1000 क्या होगा? इट इज वेरी इजी. लास्ट 3 zeros है ना, तो लास्ट के 3 डिजिट्स वी विल गेट इन द रिमाइंडर, एंड द रिमेनिंग डिजिट्स वी विल गेट इन द क्वोशिएंट. लेट अस सी. 1000 2s are 2000. We are going to subtract, we are getting here 436. Okay, means this 2 we are getting the quotient, and last 3 digits है ना 346 we are getting is the remainder. So remember this, and we are able to do oral. जैसे कि अगर मैं आपसे फटाफट पूछूं 56 divided by 10, what will be Q and R? So what will you say after looking the 0? That 6 will be remainder and 5 is the quotient. If I say 123 divided by 10, so what you will say? Quotient and remainder. Remainder is 3 and quotient is 12. Like this we have to solve orally also. We have to do a lot of practice for that. Okay. Now about the word problems. Here I have not written the whole question. I will orally tell you the question. Total quantity of rice was 1788 kg. These rice we have to put equally in 7 bags. Okay, so what will be the weight of each rice bag has been asked. Means ज़्यादा दिया है हमें, है ना, और एक का पूछा है. ठीक है, तो हमें एक बैग का वेट पता करना है, तो हमें डिवाइड करना है इसमें, और इसमें we have made the steps. Total quantity of rice is equal to this much kg. नंबर ऑफ बैग्स इज इक्वल टू दिस, और हमें एंड में ये भी बताना है कि इक्वली 7 बैग्स में राइस को पुट करने के बाद हमारे पास कितना केजी राइस रिमेनिंग रहता है या नहीं रहता है. ओके, सो लेट अस सी. सो वी विल डिवाइड 1788 बाय 7. नाउ 7 के टेबल में 70 डजंट कम. 7 to the 7, 7 to the 14. So we have to take 7 to the 14. We are going to subtract, we will get here 3, because 7 minus 4 will be 3, and here 1 minus 1 will be 0. Now 8 will come. Now 7 5s are 35. Here we are getting 3. Okay. Now this 8 again will come down. Again 7 5s are 35. So we are getting here 3. Means answer will be what? The weight of each rice bag is 255 kg, and how much rice are remaining? Remaining means remainder 3 kg of rice are remaining or left. Okay, so this is how we are going to solve the division word problems. Some are the keywords by which we understand that this is the division word problem, that cut, equal, each, है ना. जब एक की बात हो, है ना, तब हम ऐसा इसको कंसीडर करते हैं वर्ड प्रॉब्लम को कि ये वर्ड प्रॉब्लम हमारी डिवीजन की है. So I hope you understood. These types of questions will practice more in our class. So be ready. Okay, bye bye.